Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a Raspberry Pi 4. This guide will help you navigate the unique challenges of running a Windows-based game on an ARM-powered minicomputer. While it requires some technical steps, achieving playable Roblox on your Raspberry Pi is certainly possible with the right approach and software. We will cover everything you need to know to get started. To get Roblox running, you will primarily need two key software components. First, Box86 or Box64 will translate the game's instructions for your Raspberry Pi's ARM processor. Second, Wine provides a compatibility layer, enabling Windows applications to function on Linux. Additionally, using a lightweight desktop environment will free up valuable system resources, giving you a better chance at smoother gameplay. The installation process involves a few distinct steps. You will first set up Box86 or Box64, which is foundational for emulation. Next, you will install Wine, creating the necessary environment for Windows applications. Finally, you will download and install the Roblox client directly into your Wine setup. Remember to adjust your Raspberry Pi's system settings to prioritize performance for gaming. To get the best possible Roblox experience, consider a few optimization tips. Overclocking your Raspberry Pi 4's processor and graphics unit can provide a noticeable performance increase. Using a fast storage solution, such as an NVMe drive, will drastically cut down on loading times. Lastly, always reduce the in-game graphics settings to their lowest options for the smoothest possible gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.